Hello friends, this is Milani Hajunsu. Welcome to my channel which is all about enhancing what you have. Today I am going to share Romance the Universe glitter shadow in shade Moonlight. It is a light beige color with gold and silver pearls. It is a very mesmerizing eyeshadow that comes in sturdy blue and transparent plastic packaging. It shines so beautifully under different angles, oh my god. It claims to be Vaseline based glitter shadow that adheres smoothly with minimal fallout. It doesn't smell like anything in case anyone is wondering. This shade is so pretty and adheres so well onto the skin even without a primer. It blends like butter, even with fingers, and has the least amount of fallout among all the eyeshadows I have ever used. It doesn't move the entire day, and the glitter effect can last up to 6 to 8 hours. It glitters so beautifully under different angles. I just love it. I will definitely recommend this to all of you and will rate it 5 by 5. And if you like my makeup look here, then the link to the tutorial is in the description box below. Bye bye.